Ever wondered what the difference is between Docker and Kubernetes? These two technologies stand at the forefront of containerization, but serve very distinct roles within the tech ecosystem. Today, we dive into the core functionalities, advantages, and contrasting use cases of each. Docker, initially released in 2013, revolutionized the way developers build, ship, and run applications using containers. A container, in simple terms, wraps up a piece of software in a complete file system that contains everything needed to run: code, runtime, system tools, system libraries, anything that can be installed on a server. This guarantees that the software will always run the same, regardless of its environment. Now, Docker provides an open platform for developers and sysadmins to build, ship, and run distributed applications. Whether on laptops, data center VMs, or the cloud, Docker allows apps to be quickly assembled from components and eliminates the friction between development, QA, and production environments. On the flip side, Kubernetes, often abbreviated as K8s, emerged in 2014 from Google's decade-plus expertise of running production workloads. It is essentially a container orchestration platform. It helps manage the lifecycle of containers in large, dynamic environments. Kubernetes automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Imagine Docker as a skilled craftsman who creates robust, portable containers. Kubernetes, meanwhile, acts like a foreman, managing a team of these containers at scale. It checks the health of the containers, replaces any that fail, and intelligently manages the resources that containers need to run. A key advantage of Docker is its simplicity and speed. It's lightweight, standalone, and self-sufficient, making it excellent for developers who want to quickly package and deploy their applications. Kubernetes, however, shines in its ability to manage complex container ecosystems across multiple machines. It excels in environments where high availability, scaling, and automated deployment are crucial. For use cases, Docker is perfect for development environments, small-scale applications, and when simplicity and speed are desired. Kubernetes is suited for larger, more complex deployments, or when you need to manage multiple microservices across a cluster of machines. Summing up, while Docker focuses on the individual container and its lifecycle, Kubernetes takes a broader view, managing clusters of containers and ensuring they run efficiently and resiliently. Both Docker and Kubernetes play critical roles in the world of modern software deployment, but they cater to different needs and scales of operation. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or an organization aiming to deploy robust applications, understanding the distinction between Docker and Kubernetes is crucial in choosing the right tool for the right job.